Hello, in part 6, the AI bot shoots with the rifle kickback animation. Double click AI bot care. This is the D-Shoot FX event. This code on the left is the original code. This code on the right is the new code for the kickback animation. This is fire shotgun hip animation. This delay 1.3 is the length of the animation. The health and the branch are checking the bot is alive before it plays the set animation mode. I'll press play to test. I'll test that it runs after me correctly. Now I'll test that it dies correctly. And that's working correctly. Now I'm going to disconnect set animation mode, break that link, compile, and save. I'm going to show what happens if you don't set the animation mode back after you play an animation. So you can see that the bot is kind of frozen, even though it's still moving. That's how come you have to set animation mode back to use animation blueprint after you play the animation. Play animation plays the animation. The delay is the same length as the animation. This health and this branch checks that the bot is alive, so that it will only go to set animation mode if the bot's alive, because if you kill the bot, it's going to play the death animation, and if this set animation mode is triggered at the wrong time, it'll look like the bot is standing up after you killed it.